We're a company that supply soft washing equipment, training and chemicals. And my aim in the company is to create £1 million businesses who work with us buying our equipment, training and chemicals.
So the reason we came on this course was because we wanted to come and find out about the growth of a business. I always believe that you can't stay stagnant. You always need to look for the next thing, that you can invest that money that you make currently in your business to keep evolving and keep growing. And that's where I met Darran through contacts in the industry. Several people have mentioned his name. And I thought, you know what, let's come and see what it's all about.
I think the training course is very educational. We've been on some other courses and they're not as informational, not as educational at all. Don't get a lot of information about the bleach and the soft washing process, which you do now in this course. The demos have been really good as well, so you can see it firsthand. And I think it's really helped us. It's going to help us to grow our business even more.
The training course was great. Darran was great. Just it's nice, small, friendly atmosphere. Taking all the information, you can actually chat to people about it all as you're going through, as they go through the slides, and you can really sort of learn how you can apply it to your business and fit it in to go forward in the future.
It can really be helpful in my business. It's been 3 days. We're now on our final day. And it's been really insightful, and you can see there's a whole bigger world than what you would imagine.
Anybody thinking about soft washing in the UK needs to understand there are professional soft wash training courses available. What you should be looking for is, does the company teach you how to grow a business? So we have something called Discover Soft Wash. You can come down to Ashford, to our headquarters, and we can really show you how we could help you grow that business.